Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Workers in Bayelsa State have described the recent allegation by Senator Ajibola Bashiru, who represents Osun Central Senatorial District in the Nigerian Senate, that they were being owed 5 months' salaries by the Governor Douye Diri administration as false and misleading. Reacting to the allegation of Senator Bashiru, a chieftain of the All Progressives Congress APC in Osun State, civil servants in Bayelsa State dismissed it as a deliberate act of mischief intended to score cheap political gains in the forthcoming Osun State governorship election billed for July 16, 2022.
In a recent online news report, Senator Ajibola Bashiru, representing Osun Central Senatorial District in the Senate, observed that the government of Senator Douye Diri was owing workers a backlog of 5 months' salaries in Bayelsa State. Apparently, the allegation was made by the APC chieftain to cast aspersion on Senator Douye Diri, who is chairman of the PDP National Campaign Council, in the forthcoming Osun State governorship election. Rising in defense of Governor Douye Diri, Bayelsa State chairman of the Trade Union Congress Laye Julius and his counterpart in the Nigerian Labour Congress, Comrade John Ndiomu, dismissed the allegation as an act of political mischief.
It's totally untrue, and I'm shocked that if it is part of their political game that they play, they can take lie to this extent.
Well, the news going around that Bayelsa State government is owing 5 months' salary is a surprise to me personally. It's to keep the record straight. Bayelsa State government is not owing any salary. There's no salary arrears. Salaries are promptly paid in the states.
Other civil servants maintain that since the inception of the Senator Douye Diri-led prosperity government in Bayelsa State, payment of workers' salaries has been prompt and regular.
Our governor is trying, is after our welfare. The civil servant, he makes sure that our salaries are paid at the end of every month. Then 24th, 25th, you will receive a lot.
Of course, it's the government's policy to pay salaries between 24th and 25th of every month, and so we have collected our salary for June this year.
In fulfillment of his campaign promise, Governor Douye Diri had, on the occasion of the 2022 Workers' Day celebration, approved several requests made by civil servants in Bayelsa State.
The annual salary step increment. Government approves this implementation. As a state government, whether autonomy or no autonomy, we will continue to support the local governments. 2021 promotion is hereby approved for implementation.
According to Comrade Ndiomu, the NLC boss in Bayelsa State, pensioners are also beneficiaries of the labor-friendly disposition of the Senator Douye Diri administration.
Before this government came in, we have some backlog of gratuity. And from the inception of this government, they have always paid monthly. They are paying gratuity monthly, they are paying pension monthly. Pensions are paid with salaries. So the pensioners are also happy.
For TUC chairman Comrade Laye Julius, workers have never had it so good in the entire history of Bayelsa State.
Even policy making, government have always engaged labor. We are seen by the administration as stakeholders in the Bayelsa project. And so most times we are invited on issues that have even nothing to do with the civil service, that have to do with the developmental strive of Bayelsa State. And we make our own input, our own contribution, before even policies sometimes are formulated. And we are even involved in the implementation stage of those policies. So government take us as partners, and I can say that this is one of the best when it comes to the relationship between the government and civil servants in the state.
In appreciation of the welfare policy being implemented by Senator Douye Diri, which includes a healthcare insurance scheme, workers in Bayelsa State have vowed to support him if he decides to seek a second term in office.
Inside the Niger Delta,